What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4 error, how to fix PS4 WC-40371-5. It's a voucher, it's not valid. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we go to the screen, and here we are at the screen, and simply go to the your PS Store and redeem codes. You simply try to add your voucher code or redeem codes. I'm just going to here we are. I just add it and I get the error. So that's why you get this error. You just go to the setting. I'm just going to show you why you get this error. Here we go to settings, go to the account information, and then go to the address. Simply you just check your address. Sometime you have your address or region UK, but you have your voucher code from the US. So if you are not able to change it, you must change your region or make a new PSN account. And on the other hand, you can go to the wallet and settings, wallet, you just delete your wallet, and here's the required password, and you just turn it on no, and you can delete the old one, add a new payment method. So simply that's how you can fix this error. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.